Welcome to Consumer Reviews. The best Pawpaw Gifts is probably one of the most delightful and unique ways to show someone you care, especially if they have a fondness for this tropical fruit or appreciate quirky, nature-inspired presents. Imagine the joy on their face as they unwrap something that celebrates the sweet, creamy goodness of a pawpaw, whether it's a gourmet treat, a piece of art, or a practical item infused with its essence. These gifts are perfect for birthdays, holidays, or just because, offering a refreshing alternative to the usual, and bringing a touch of the exotic to any occasion. Number 5. JennyGems Pawpaw Gifts Wooden Sign. Looking for the perfect gift for your pawpaw? This beautifully crafted wooden sign is a wonderful way to show your appreciation. It's a touching present that will surely bring a smile to his face. This charming piece measures 6 by 8 by 1.5 inches and is designed to complement any space. It can stand proudly on its own or be easily hung on a wall, adding a special touch to his favorite room. Celebrate birthdays, Father's Day, Christmas, or Grandparents' Day with this thoughtful accent sign. It's also a fantastic idea for anniversaries or just to show you care. Crafted with care in America, this sign is made from durable wood. We use advanced UV printing to ensure a long-lasting, vibrant design that he'll cherish. Each sign possesses a unique, handmade quality, making your gift truly one of a kind. Embrace the slight variations that make this piece special and personal. This decorative piece is ideal for enhancing his living room, kitchen, or bedroom. Place it on the mantel, coffee table, or shelf to add warmth and personality to his home. What we like? This charming wooden sign is handcrafted with care and built to last. It can be displayed on a shelf or hung on a wall, making it a versatile piece of home decor. If you're looking for a heartfelt and decorative gift that celebrates the special bond with your pawpaw, this is a wonderful choice. What people say? The pawpaw design is very cute and unique. The pawpaw gift set includes a variety of items, such as a mug, keychain, and stickers. The quality of the pawpaw merchandise is excellent, with durable materials and vibrant colors. Number 4. Pawpaw Stainless Steel Folding Pocket Knife with Clip. To the world, you might be just one person. But to us, you are our entire world. This knife is a perfect way to show them how much they mean to you. Searching for a gift that truly stands out? It's ideal for birthdays, holidays, anniversaries, or even to celebrate a new dad or grandpa. This knife boasts a sharp 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that can be resharpened for lasting use. It offers a comfortable grip with its wood or aluminum handle. With a convenient pocket clip, it stays securely attached wherever you go. Its rugged, heavy-duty feel makes it a great companion for outdoor activities. Measuring 8 inches when open and 4.5 inches when closed, it's designed for both portability and function. It's the perfect accessory for your camping, hunting, or fishing trips. What we like? This folding pocket knife is a practical and personalized gift. It features a durable stainless steel blade and a convenient pocket clip for easy carrying. If your pawpaw enjoys outdoor activities like camping or fishing, or simply appreciates a well-made tool with a personal touch, this knife is an excellent option. What people say? The Pawpaw Balm is very moisturizing and has a pleasant scent. This pawpaw ointment is great for dry skin and minor cuts. I love the natural ingredients in this pawpaw product. Number 3. Pawpaw Flag T-shirt. Show your pawpaw how much you care with this special gift. It's a great way to celebrate him on any occasion. This Father's Day, give a gift that truly shows your appreciation. It's a comfortable and stylish way for him to wear his pride. Featuring a classic American flag design, this shirt is perfect for any proud American. It's a timeless look he'll love. Designed for both comfort and style, this t-shirt is perfect for everyday wear. He can feel good and look good all day long. Available in small, this t-shirt offers a great fit for many. It's the ideal choice for a thoughtful and well-fitting present. What we like? Show your pawpaw's patriotic spirit with this comfortable and stylish t-shirt. It's designed for everyday wear and makes a great gift for Father's Day or any occasion. If you're searching for a casual and meaningful present that honors your pawpaw's love for America, this t-shirt is a perfect fit. What people say? The pawpaw fruit is a tropical delight, offering a unique blend of banana, mango, and melon flavors. Pawpaw fruit is rich in vitamins A and C, as well as potassium and magnesium, making it a nutritious choice. This fruit is known for its creamy texture, similar to avocado, which makes it versatile in smoothies and desserts. Number 2. Pawpaw Stainless Steel Insulated Tumbler. Show your favorite pawpaw how much you care with this special tumbler. It's the perfect way to keep their drinks at the ideal temperature all day long. Each mug features a unique laser-engraved design, revealing the stainless steel beneath the black finish. This creates a stylish and lasting impression. Its thoughtful design includes a narrower bottom that fits most standard cup holders. The lid also has a perfectly sized hole for easy straw use. With double-wall vacuum insulation, it keeps your beverages hot or cold for hours. The seamless construction ensures durability and a sleek look. This travel mug holds up to 20 fluid ounces, making it ideal for your favorite coffee, tea, or any other beverage. Enjoy more of what you love. To maintain its quality and engraved finish, please hand wash this item only. It is not recommended for dishwashers. What we like? Keep your favorite beverages at the perfect temperature with this insulated travel mug. Its clever design fits most cup holders, making it ideal for on the go. If your pawpaw is a coffee or tea lover who appreciates a personalized touch and convenience, this tumbler is a fantastic gift choice. What people say. This is a great gift for Pawpaw. Pawpaw loved it. It was a perfect gift for Pawpaw. Number 1. Pawpaw I Love You to the Moon and Back Folding Pocket Knife. Looking for the perfect gift? This engraved knife is ideal for birthdays, holidays, or special announcements. It's a thoughtful present for anyone you cherish. This knife features a durable 3.5-inch stainless steel blade that can be sharpened for extended use. It offers a robust feel, perfect for everyday carry. With a built-in pocket clip, it stays securely attached and easily accessible. Its manual opening mechanism is simple and reliable. Choose between a sleek black aluminum or a natural wood grip handle, both paired with a sturdy stainless steel blade. It's as stylish as it is functional. Weighing just 4.1 ounces, it's surprisingly light for its rugged build. This makes it an excellent accessory for your outdoor adventures like camping or fishing. More than just a tool, it carries a special message. Engraved with "I love you to the moon and back," it's a constant reminder of your affection. What we like? This laser-engraved pocket knife carries a touching message of love. It's built with a sturdy stainless steel blade and a secure clip for everyday carry. If you want to give a gift that is both sentimental and practical, especially for someone who appreciates a tool with a personal story, this knife is a thoughtful selection. What people say. The pawpaw design is very cute and unique. The quality of the material is good, it feels durable. It's a great gift for pawpaw lovers, they will surely appreciate it. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.